Day 11.
Day 11. Not that this hasn't been a...
I can't get my toes out.
Wow, that's just what I was going to say. Not that this hasn't been a team build all along, but individually we have run out of visible digits. So this is day 11. You need more coffee.
I do need more coffee. This is just water.
Yeah, kind of fun. Ben actually beat me in today, so you must be excited to get this thing done.
And I thought I was late.
It's ahead of schedule. Ben mentioned it in our wrap-up of day 10. I think we're just going to point it out again, especially if you're new to timber framing. Double check, recheck, and then recheck your rechecks on your mortises, your tenons when you're up there going at it. It's not that you just want to get through and get done. You're new to exactly how things fit together. So Ben is cleaning out the mortises just to make sure. So when we lift up this mortises on the second wall plate, so when we lift it up over there, we don't have any issues with it coming. We're going to cut the 2 knee braces down to 3 inches today. But the wind is gone. It is really freaking nice out this morning.
It's almost like Grand Marais. It's 55 degrees when we woke up.
Yeah, 55 degrees. All right, well, Ben's going to keep at this. Speaking of Grand Marais, I'm going to sneak over to the Blue House and get some more coffee. I'll be back in a week. Go build. We talked about yesterday was going to be a kind of a pretty day. Holy macaroni, is it nice. So Ben kept at it while I was gone. Woohoo! I think he's in there, something like that. Mr. Long Arms. There it is. Ben kept at it while I was gone. We were able to set the ridge beam on top of the king post, and then he did a bunch of strapping down and getting it tight, and he did the ceremonial first peg. One of these is the ceremonial first peg.
This one.
That one right there. Are you touching my peg? All right, there it is. That was the first peg. So I want to say we're close. All we have to do is another 72 pegs, something like that, and throw on a couple rafters. We did a quick test fit over there, the rafters, and by golly, they actually fit right in there. So whoever cut the king post cut them the right length. So all right, let's keep pegging. Woo! The last one. Woo! Woo! Whoa, now, oh, we could edit that mess out.
Too excited. Uh-oh.
Yeah, there it is. Boom, knuckles. All right, we beat the sunshine. It's still up in the air, but a pretty cool moment. This is, well, look at that. The sun is above your head. He'd give you a 2 thumbs up, but he's got a hammer in his hand.
There's a mallet.
There's a mallet, a hammer. It's the end of the day. All right, this is the one. The last timber of the build. Whack-a-mole.
Sweet.
It is complete. It is done. There is sawdust in my eye. Howdy ho! It is done.
We built this thing. With a little bit of help.
A lot of help. All right, well, wrap up of day 11.
11.
Day 11 wrap up. Sun is in our eyes. That's okay. It's a good day. This phase is done. The last timber, you saw that one go in up in the attic joist. The loft joist went in. That was the last timber. Next phases are going to be a while. I think in the next 6 weeks we have 20 weddings here, so yeah, there's not going to be as much time to work on this. But next phase is off to the log yard, and we'll be sawing up the white pine logs that we have into 1.5-inch decking. So we're going to put the ceiling on, the roof on, get that all finished. And it'll sit here for a while till we get the curbing in and all of that stuff done over there. But it's done. So, probably there's only 2 things that would have made it nicer is our classmates, if they would be here. Hi, Alicia. Hi, Judd.
John.
Nita. Hopefully you're home by now. It's a long drive, but
It's a long drive.
hi to all of you. Thanks, Tom. Thanks, North House.
Yes.
Do you have sawdust in your eye again?
A lot of sawdust.